Hi friends, welcome to Defensive Investor channel. Today's stock market Nifty opened 17,443 points, highest 17,622 points, low 17,387 points. See here, morning it fallen to 17,392, that is pre-open time. 9/4 it is 17,392. Okay, after that there is 100 points rally from 9:30 to till 11:33. 100 points rally. After that there is a fall. See here, 100 points down from 11:34 to 12:17. Again there is up and consolidation till 120. So after 150 there is a huge fall. See here. So 195 points down today Nifty, and Nifty RSI is below 80. So it was in overbought zone above 80. Now it is in 67, below 67 or 68 RSI. So now it is not in overbought zone. Today's advances 9 shares, declines 41 shares. Next we have to check the market snapshot. See here, there is a huge volatility after 1 o'clock. There is a huge volatility in the market. Today's turnover 64,000 crores. So DA is selling, FA is buying. 432 advances, declines 1569. So market is in negative zone. Broad market indices. See here, all the indices are negative. Nifty 50 1% down. Nifty next 50 1.86% down. Nifty mid cap 100 minus 2.16% down. Nifty small cap 250 minus 1.94% down. Sectoral indices we have to see. So except FMCG, all other sectors are negative. The two metal sector, see here, bloodbath in metal sector minus 6%, and PSU Bank minus 4%. So metal sector went to bloodbath today. Next we have to check the top 10 gainers today in Nifty 50. It is Hindustan Unilever, next Bajaj Finserv, ITC, Nestle India, HCL Tech, Britannia, Reliance. So all the FMCG companies are bullish today. So many people criticized ITC, but ITC is performing well for the past 2 weeks. Next losers: Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Hindalco, UPL, BPCL, State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, HDFC. So commodity stocks. So today metal sector undergone bloodbath. So that's why metal stocks fallen hugely today. See here, Tata Steel, it is minus 10%. In volume, again Idea, Yes Bank, GMR Infra, ITC, SAIL, Suzlon, Z Limited, PNB, Indian Hotels, National Aluminium. So ITC have huge volume and it is performing well for the past 2 weeks. In value, Tata Steel, IRCTC, ITC, Z Limited, Reliance, Kotak Bank, Bharati Airtel, Infosys, State Bank of India, Hindalco. So we have seen ITC in volume as well as value. Next we have to check the price quotes. HLE glass coat 20% up today. Precam, Neogen 10% up today. NDTV 9% up. TCI Developers, Baiki, Shraddha, RPSG, ROHL, TD. This is all new stocks. Orient Abra. So I think it is Oriental Abrasives. So chemicals are up today in price sports, in volume sports. ABSL, Visa Steel, Asian Hotels, BSL, AH List, GI Solutions, EIHA Hotels, ICICI Bank, TAG, GVK, new stocks, GFS, GF Steels. So there is huge volume all in all these stocks. In price band, it has 103 stocks. 50-week high, 93 stocks. Large deals today, 49 bulk deals today. Block deals too. So today market is bearish.